Hey guys, it's Moss. So we're back this week with another new video, and this week's video is the cook with me video that I have been planning for a little while now, and I've decided to cook homemade acai bowls, and the acai bowl is really good. I really enjoyed it, and actually amazing how hard it is to find acai berries here in North Carolina. I really didn't think it was going to be that hard, and when I went to Ingles, to the grocery store up here, I asked the guy and I was like, "Hey, do you have acai berries?" And he's like, what are those?" And I was like, acai berries for acai bowls. And so someone else came up to the front and talked with me, and they were like, "No, have you checked these aisles to see with the other berries?" And I was like, "No, I haven't, but let me check." And I checked everything, and they didn't have the acai berries. So I was looking, I was like, where am I gonna find these? And I ended up, just like every Floridian would do, I went to Publix, and that's where I found them. I found exactly what I needed. The bowls were not very expensive. The package, not the actual bowl themselves, but the package that it came in, so that was nice. And I have a couple more packs that I can use, so hopefully if I decide to make more, I can. So this video is really entertaining. Hope you guys enjoy. I think you'll get a good laugh out of it, at least if you don't learn how to make acai bowls. But hope you guys are having a good week, and see you next week.
Well, marshmallows melt.
These are good. Hey guys, so just went to the grocery, got the ingredients I needed except for the acai berries. So I was kind of disappointed that the main ingredient that I need is the one that they didn't have, but everything else they had, so that was good. Okay guys, so here are the bananas I got and the granola vanilla almond. So the only thing is the acai berries that I'm going to have to get later because they didn't have those. And then let's see, I think that's just about everything except something. Oh, there's the peanut butter. That's Publix. All right, let's go get the berries. That's my berries, chocolate. Hey guys, so just got home from Publix, and I'm gonna get the groceries unloaded, get everything in the house, and then get everything prepared to start making the bowls. So should be pretty good. Hey guys, it's Moss. So today we're gonna be making homemade acai bowls. Let's cook with me, let's get started. All right guys, let's go on and get our ingredients and go ahead and get started so we can start making our bowls. All right, let's see what we got here. Berries. So organic acai berries, pure acai, unsweetened. So this is 4 superfruit packs, 0 grams sugar. So let's go on and lay those out. Let's see what else gotta get the strawberries from back here. Why did I put these in the very back of the refrigerator? Sorry, freezer, whatever. Okay, this isn't going so well. Finally got them. So here we are. We have frozen strawberries. So frozen acai berries, frozen strawberries. What else do we need? Let me check. Okay, I've got to get the banana. I'm missing some. I gotta get the peanut butter. Let me grab this out of the pantry. Where's the peanut butter? Wait, hang on. Maybe it's in the refrigerator. Just a second, guys. Oh, there it is. Let me see. Is this the one I want to get? Yes. Okay, since this one's already open, let's go ahead and get this one. So here is our peanut butter. All right, so we've got our strawberries, acai berries, peanut butter. I still feel like I'm missing something. What am I missing? Oh, chocolate almond milk. Let me go ahead and get that. All right, so chocolate almond milk, not vanilla almond milk. Okay, chocolate almond milk. Good to go. Let me see. Okay, 1 package frozen acai berry. Got that. Peanut butter. Got that. Banana. Get that in just a second. Strawberries and chocolate almond milk. So I think we're good to go. Almost have everything. Let me just grab the bananas and then we'll go ahead and get started.
Let me see it.
I don't know, but we gotta kill it.
No, just don't do that. No, you have to throw it on it. And yeah, there we go. No.
I don't know if I got it.
Where is it?
Here.
Do you not know where it is?
It's killed.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting up until you know.
Okay, guys, so we're back. All the craziness is over. The spider's dead. The ingredients are out, and almost time to go on and get the banana. So, let me finish up over here. Getting it good. About an inch. That's good. So go on and bring the banana over here. Okay. Okay. So now let's go on and get everything open. Let me get the scissors. Where are they? Scissors. Must be. Okay. Here they are. Let me go on and open up this package. Okay. There we go. Okay. So check in. Alright, so let me get one of these packages out. Let me take, where did I put this in? Alright, so one package is here. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Let's get a spoon. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. 1/2 cup of almond milk, chocolate almond milk. Let's go on and pour that in. Okay, so 1/2 cup of chocolate almond milk. Okay, this is not meant for normal humans. Okay. 1/2 cup. Let's see. Way too much. Okay, so we have our 1/2 cup of chocolate almond milk. Let me go ahead and take the top off the blender. wash this out. Be ready for strawberries. Why did I wash it out if everything's going in together? That doesn't make much sense. Anyways, let's go on and put this top back on. Let me put this back in the refrigerator. Perfect. Now, trash here. Okay, let me get a spoon. Half cup of frozen strawberries. Oh, these are like really frozen. Okay guys, let me go ahead and get these bananas in because I'm afraid pretty soon they are going to be thawed out and then I'm going to be in big trouble. So let's see. Put those in. Oh, these berries are also starting to thaw out. This is not good. Advice to you, don't take as long as I'm taking. You need to go on and get this stuff in the blender. Okay, I'm just slow. Sorry. Okay, so on, and I'll just put these in. Drop them in like so. I don't know how well this is going to go. These are thawing so much. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Nice. Okay, that should be good. Let me wash my hands. Let's see. This is almost half. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so half cup of frozen strawberries ready to go ahead and be put in the blender. Let's go ahead and put those in. Perfect. Push this out. Alright. I think that's the. No, I've got to have this for the berries. Let me clean this out just a little more. Perfect. Okay, so that's done. Frozen strawberries. Alright, they're going back to the freezer and probably never coming out again. No guarantees on that though. Okay. Okay, go ahead and pour this for frozen. Alright, definitely wash my hands after this. Alright, so a tablespoon of peanut butter is all I'm going to need. Let's get just okay. Go ahead and get this started. Go and put the top on our blender. Make sure this is tight. Let's check this out. See what we have. Looks pretty good to me. We have our dark chocolate. This is what I got, just chips, chocolate baking chips, coconut flakes from Publix, vanilla almond granola. This is honey from home and some strawberries. So that is going to be our toppings today for our acai bowls. I ran out of bananas, or I would be putting banana as well. So hopefully it still looks good. I know it's going to taste good. So let's go ahead and get our bowl so we can go on and pour it in. Okay, here we go. Let me move this around. Put our toppings over here. Okay, let's go ahead and get this blender. Perfect. This looks really good. Go ahead and get our strawberries out. Open this package. These on like so. Looks really good. Okay, close our Okay, so we have our strawberries. Let's go ahead and get our vanilla almond granola and sprinkle. Okay, let's put this on here. Go ahead and open up our coconut flakes. Okay, so here is our dark chocolate. Go ahead and get these in here. That's perfect. All right, so our chia seeds, let's go on and sprinkle just a little bit is all I want to put. Last but not least, let me get a spoonful of honey. So this is some of the honey from home. Local honey is always the best. I will tell you guys that, especially if you have allergies. Seasonal allergies, honey is the best, but make sure it's local honey. So put that on here. Looks great. Okay, let me go take this spoon here. All right, guys. So it looks really good. I think it's almost time to go on and try it. So let's show you guys the finished product. To me, this looks really good. So strawberries, granola, coconut, chocolate, everything blended in there. I think it's gonna taste really good, guys. This is really, really good, guys. I have to say, I'm impressed with what I was able to do, even after I thought it was gonna be a disaster.